Hello there! Today a new video on my Cars Tech playlist. As usual, I will show you an easy solution to the error which every used Volvo user can fix themselves and save both time and cash money. You come in the morning to your car, turn on the ignition and get an error message. What? Something in Italian? Well, that's because the car is from Italy. Take a Google Translate and see. It turns out that this portiere lato guida aperta means that the driver's door is not closed. Phew, okay, everybody can fix that mistake. Just close the door. And another message appears. Scadenza tagliando. What? Again, ask Google. Error means that scheduled car service interval has arrived, or you could say that you have to go to the car service. But if you do the maintenance yourself, then just delete the message and again enjoy 10,000 kilometers of silence. Resetting maintenance messages is easy, only 7 simple steps. But remember that the selected trips fixed kilometers will disappear. Write them down if they are important. Let's begin. Turn off the ignition, then press and hold trip reset button and turn on the ignition. Then wait for the yellow warning light to start blinking and release the button. Then wait for confirmation sound. And then turn off the ignition. Then turn it back on and check if service message is gone. If you see something like Nessun Messaggio, that means you have done everything correctly and there are no error messages. If you somehow failed, I suggest following this guide again and doing it carefully step by step. Those who did it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so we can meet in another car stuff video. Thanks and ciao!